G'day everybody. I thought I'd come out in the garden today. I've been doing a bit of work. As you can see, I pulled out the pumpkin. I wasn't getting anything. The old butternut, sorry, not the butternut, it was the Jap pumpkin. They just weren't doing anything. I don't see any point in having a pumpkin completely overtake your backyard when it ain't producing anything. I mean, when it did produce something, they were tiny little pumpkins that would then go yellow and just rot pretty much. So I've decided to pull them out. By the time these pumpkins are ready, if they ever do get ready, these will all be ready. So in here we've got some bok choy, some wong bok, we've got some cauliflower, broccoli, and then I put some garlic along the edge there. Yeah, they're pretty close together. I always plant my crops really close together. Sometimes it can protect them as well. But the reason for this video, I thought I'd come out and see how my potatoes are going. I knocked the top off some dirt, and you wouldn't believe it. Look at that potato, will you? It's a massive potato. Yeah. And then you know, here's another good one here. But I'm going to go digging around in here and see if I can find any more. Let's go in here. I can see one now. Here's one here. It's just a little one. Just a little one here. 3. Oh, let's have another dig. Oh, here's another one here. Look, little one. There's another one here. Look at that. Another 2 there. Another little baby one there. They're all edible. As long as they're not green, I reckon. I'll just pull this right out, I think. Oh. Alright. Another little one. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Look at that one. What a beauty. A little one, little baby one there. Here's another. Oh, here's a beauty. Look at that one. Look at that. So what I'll do is probably get one more if there is. Oh, there's a little one there. Probably could get in a bit deeper here, you see. Look, there we go. Pop. There's another beauty there. This is just in mulch, which is broken down. Here's another potato under here. Oh, there we go. There's another one there. I'll get in here with a fork later and dig up some more. But look, I've just gone pretty much on the top of that. And this is what we've got here. Look at that. Look at that. There's 2 nights worth there. Maybe 3. There's 4 of us eating. We'll roast them up tonight, I think. I've actually got some potato cuttings here that I've put in. Some of them have just started to sprout. But there's a small harvest. I've only got like maybe 2 or 3 plants in here. Hence why I've planted some more here. But no, I'm looking forward to eating these potatoes. Like I said, I'll pretty much just chuck plants and grow vegetables where I can. This is just in amongst my bamboo and the elephants here. And in front of that, I've actually got sweet potato, which isn't doing much. And you know, I'm looking forward to this potato tonight. We actually went and bought some just today because I didn't think they'd be ready. But have a look at that. That's massive. That's a massive potato, that one. All right, I'll wrap this up. I'll try and get this on tonight. Thanks again, everyone. See ya.